Engineering the carbon-neutral future our planet demands requires extraordinary energy solutions. Ones that reimagine the entire life cycle from production to consumption. My name is Florian, and that's what I get to do each day as a project engineer in the green hydrogen and green fuels sector. Since I was a child, I've been very intrigued by energy and chemistry in general. Growing up in the countryside, protecting the environment was also really important to me. I quickly understood how fundamental energy is to our everyday life and how destructive its production and consumption can be. When I left school, I looked for a company that shared my values with the urge to make tomorrow's world a better place. I found it in Tractebel. Tractebel is not just a collective of engineers, but a community of people who are passionate about sustainable development and passionate about sharing their knowledge with even the most junior members of the team. Every day I learn something new from world-class experts in renewable energy, from electrical and mechanical engineers to process experts. It's learning on the job in projects and informal employee training on the latest in engineering and innovation. Sometimes I can't believe the diversity of projects I work on. One day's work could involve a hydrogen plant in Australia, extending the gas grid in Belgium, testing a hydrogen train in the Netherlands, and constructing a power plant in Jordan. The solutions we're engineering are also super innovative and creative. Altogether, these experiences are rapidly expanding my horizons as an engineer. Working at Tractebel is an opportunity to tackle the world's biggest energy challenges, and to do it while living your values.